The T virus was a major medical breakthrough, although it has highly profitable military applications.
But how does it explain those things out there?
Even in death, the human body still remains active. Hair and fingernails still continue to grow. New cells are produced, and the brain itself holds a small electrical charge that takes months to dissipate. The T virus provides a massive jolt both to cellular growth and to trace electrical impulses. Put simply, it reanimates the body.
It brings the dead back to life?
Not really. The T virus destroys all higher brain functions and leaves the cerebrum intact, which controls their behaviors. This explains why the hosts act very animalistic and aggressive. Another impact of the T virus is that it damages the hypothalamus, which causes a large flood of enzymes, neurotransmitters, and hormones. When all these effects are laid on top of the painful process of being infected, it can produce psychotic rages, unrelenting hungers, and extreme aggressiveness in the hosts. These hosts only have one need once they are reanimated:
Which is?
the need to feed.
How does the virus spread?
The T virus is very similar to a normal virus. It replicates inside of the body by invading the host cells and destroying them once they are done replicating. This process is repeated over and over. Also very similar to a normal virus, the T virus is spread through saliva, blood, and other bodily fluids.
Is that the only way it is spread?
No, this virus is also able to spread through the air, and it is able to travel large distances and infect many people at once.
That's not very promising. Once someone is infected, how does the virus affect?
The virus is deadly to the host. Once you have been bitten or scratched by a zombie, the virus immediately causes necrosis, which is the gradual breakdown of cells. This reanimated host is now a carrier of the virus, and it can spread this disease by biting and scratching other healthy individuals in an attempt to ease their never-ending hunger for flesh. This vicious cycle is repeated exponentially until there are very few healthy individuals left in the world to infect.
How do you kill them?
Severing the top of the spinal column or massive trauma to the brain are the most effective methods.
You mean you shoot them in the head?
Yes, this will finally stop those small electrical pulses that are left in the brain, allowing the zombie to experience true death instead of being able to keep on living even after severe damage to the body.